Want to speak real Dutch from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at DutchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to the Dutch Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson you'll learn to say where you're from in Dutch. Let's get started. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the structure. See how it's used in the dialogue to express your origin. Waar kom je vandaan? Where are you from? Ik kom uit Assen. I'm from Assen. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all our examples will follow. Ik kom uit place. In English, I'm from place. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. This time it's a short list because the expression is always the same. Ik, I. Ik. Next up, kom, come. Kom. Uit, from. Uit. And finally, vandaan, which also means from. Vandaan. Now let's look at some speaking examples. Ik kom uit Rotterdam. I'm from Rotterdam. Ik kom uit Rotterdam. Next up we have ik kom uit Limburg. I'm from Limburg. Ik kom uit Limburg. Ik kom uit Nederland. I'm from the Netherlands. Ik kom uit Nederland. You will notice from the vocabulary that there are two Dutch words for from. One of them is uit and the other one is vandaan. What's the difference? Well, in this case, vandaan is only used in combination with the word waar or where, meaning where from. In this case, where are you from? Waar kom je vandaan? Since vandaan is used in combination with waar, it follows then that it's also used in combination with there, daar, and here, hier. Waar vandaan? Daar vandaan. Hier vandaan. Do you remember how to say I? Ik. And how to say come? Kom. Do you remember how to say come from? Kom uit. And how to say I'm from? Ik kom uit. Do you remember how to say I'm from Assen? Ik kom uit Assen. Ik kom uit Assen. In this lesson, you learn to say where you're from in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas and I will see you on DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.